Google just released Nano Banana Pro, and honestly, it scares the hell out of me.
This AI creates images so realistic, you literally cannot tell what's AI generated anymore. Perfect text, perfect lighting, perfect everything.
I spent 48 hours testing it alongside Gemini 3. And what I discovered will change how you think about AI generated content forever. This is Ambuj from ScreenTime-Tech. Let's dive in.
On November 19th, 2025, Google dropped Nano Banana Pro with zero warning, and the internet exploded. Here's what makes it different from every AI image generator before it: flawless text rendering. For years, AI struggled with text. You'd get gibberish letters, warped words, or just complete nonsense. Nano Banana Pro solved it. I tested it with complex prompts, movie posters with credits, infographics with statistics, street signs in foreign languages. Every single one came out perfect. But here's where it gets controversial. Nano Banana Pro generates ultra-realistic images of anything: historical events that never happened, conspiracy theories, deep fakes, political figures in situations they were never in. CNET called it terrifying. Wired said it's the conspiracy fuel we didn't need. And honestly, they're not wrong. The realism is so good, experts are struggling to identify AI-generated images in blind tests. That's not just impressive, that's dangerous.
Let me show you what happened when I actually used it.
Test 1. Product marketing. I asked Nano Banana Pro to create a tech product launch poster with a catchy headline and pricing details. Result: a professional-grade poster that looked like it came from a Fortune 500 marketing team. The text was crisp, the lighting was cinematic, the composition was perfect. Time taken, 8 seconds. Test 2. Social media graphics. I requested an Instagram carousel explaining AI statistics with charts and readable text. Result: 5 slides with perfect data visualization, legible fonts, and on-brand colors. Something that would normally take me 2 hours in Canva. Time taken, 12 seconds. Test 3. The scary one. I asked it to create a realistic news photo of an event that never happened. It did. Perfectly. And that's when I understood why people are worried. The quality is so high that without watermarking or metadata, there's no way to tell it's AI generated. That's a massive problem for misinformation, deepfakes, and trust in media. But Nano Banana Pro doesn't exist in isolation. It's part of Google's Gemini 3 ecosystem. Gemini 3 is Google's most advanced AI model yet, and it powers everything from search to content creation to code generation. Here's how they work together. Gemini 3 handles the context and understanding. Nano Banana Pro handles the visual execution. I tested Gemini 3 with complex creative tasks. Task 1. Write a YouTube script analyzing AI ethics. Gemini 3 produced a nuanced, well-structured script in 30 seconds that included counter-arguments, statistics, and storytelling. Task 2. Debug a Python script with 15 errors. Gemini 3 found and fixed all 15 inches under 2 minutes, with explanations for each fix. Task 3. Research and summarize 10 articles on AI regulation. It synthesized everything into a 500-word summary with citations. The speed is incredible, but more importantly, the quality rivals human experts. According to Google's benchmarks, Gemini 3 scores 94.8% on complex reasoning tasks. That's higher than GPT-5 in certain categories. Now here's what this means for creators, marketers, and entrepreneurs. Nano Banana Pro gives you studio quality visuals without a designer. Thumbnails, social graphics, ad creatives, all generated in seconds. Gemini 3 gives you expert level content without a writer. Scripts, captions, blogs, research, all at lightning speed. Here's my workflow now. Morning. Gemini 3 generates 10 content ideas based on trending topics. Mid-morning. I refine the best idea, and Gemini 3 writes the full script. Afternoon. Nano Banana Pro creates all the visual assets: thumbnails, B-roll suggestions, graphics. Evening. I record and edit with AI assistance. This stack cut my content creation time from 40 hours per week to 15 hours per week. Same output quality, better consistency, more free time. But here's the catch. Everyone will have access to these tools. The competitive advantage isn't the tools themselves. It's how strategically you use them. The creators winning in 2025 are the ones combining AI efficiency with human creativity, authenticity, and strategic thinking. Let's address the elephant in the room. Is Nano Banana Pro too powerful? The realistic image generation raises serious questions. Deepfakes, misinformation, copyright issues, identity theft. Google has built-in safeguards. You can't generate images of real people without consent. There are filters for harmful content. Every image has embedded metadata showing it's AI generated. But here's the reality. Those safeguards can be bypassed. Metadata can be stripped, and bad actors will find ways to misuse this technology. My take? This is like Photoshop in the 2000s. When it first became accessible, people worried about fake images destroying trust. And yes, it was misused. But it also democratized creativity and became an essential tool for millions. Nano Banana Pro is the same. It's a tool. How we use it determines whether it's helpful or harmful. As creators, we have a responsibility to use AI ethically, disclose when content is AI generated, and prioritize authenticity over manipulation. Google's Nano Banana Pro and Gemini 3 aren't just incremental improvements. They're a fundamental shift in what AI can do. The realism is incredible. The speed is unmatched. The potential is massive. And yes, the risks are real. But here's what I know. AI isn't slowing down. The creators who adapt and learn to use these tools strategically will dominate. The ones who resist will get left behind. If you want to build your own AI-powered content system and learn how to use tools like Gemini 3 and Nano Banana Pro effectively, visit ScreenTime-Digital.in. We help creators automate workflows, scale content, and grow faster. Link in the description. Book a free strategy call.
If this video gave you value, hit the like button. Subscribe for weekly AI reviews and tech breakdowns. Comment below. Are you excited or scared about AI tools like Nano Banana Pro?
This is Ambuj from ScreenTime-Tech. Adapt, create, dominate. See you in the next one.